Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you a simple project where I am using ESP32 with OLED display and A02YYUW waterproof ultrasonic sensor to measure distance. This sensor works even in rain or dusty places, so perfect for outdoor places. It can measure from 3 centimeters to 4.5 meters. So it can be used to fit any size of water tank. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.